Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get your API key in Firebase. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is head on over to Firebase and choose your project where you'd like to get your API key from. So I've just got this demonstration 20 steps tracker. So I'm just going to click into this. Then from here where it says project overview, I'm going to click on the gear icon and go to project settings. And now inside of general, if I scroll down, you're going to see I've got my API key here. So this is it here. Now, if you don't have that option, I just remove the app and I'm going to show you how to get your API key. So under your apps, we've got some options here. So Apple iOS, Android, web. So I'm going to go ahead and choose web for this. Now I'm going to register this app. So I'm just going to call this Tiny Steps. And then we can also set up Firebase hosting if you want. So I'm just going to register the app for this demonstration, and then basically we want to get through all of this, so we're going to click next and deploy to Firebase hosting. So I'm going to go ahead and click onto next here, but before I do that, you're going to see your API key here as well, so that's where we can get it. So click next and then click install Firebase CLI, deploy to Firebase hosting, continue to console. And now once we're back here inside of project settings, we've got the general tab, scroll down, and now this is where we're going to find our API key here.